Yo, what up? It's Kurt from Stadium Goods. I'm one of the sales supervisors at the Soho location. And before we get into the video, first I want to say I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy during this quarantine right now. I know quarantine's been a little bit boring. It's definitely been boring for me, but hopefully this video will cure that boredness that you got going on right now. So today I'll be going over the top three shoes in my collection. No particular order. These are just the top 3 shoes that have a sentimental value to me, or I just love the concept of it, and it has kind of a cool story behind it too. So let's just get started off with the first one. So the first one is a Nike SB Dunk Low from 2005. Comes in a pink box right here. So it's gonna be the Nike Dunk Low Tiffany's. So this shoe came out in 2005 in collaboration with Nikki Diamonds, who is the owner of Diamond Supply Co. You can see the shoe, it's super crazy, just the details on it. You have the black crocodile skin all over through the shoe, and then that Tiffany blue just pops really nice. And then you have that metallic swoosh right there, and then the little details on it too. You have the diamond on the tongue right there with the Nike SB branding. Really crazy shoe, super hype shoe. I know when I was first getting into SBs, this was definitely on my top 5. This was actually like my first real grail SB that I copped back in 2010. The prices on these are super crazy. I actually did not pay whatever they're going for right now. I actually paid a really good price for these, so shout out to the homie who sold me these. This shoe is actually the first shoe that really got me into SBs. I remember seeing this shoe in, I believe it was SneakerCon 2010. I forgot if it was the summer or if it was the fall. I saw someone wear these and I was just like, whoa, like these are sick. Like the quality, the colors, like everything about it, I just needed to have it. We have another Nike Dunk Low. This is actually not the box for it. This is part of the first series of Dunks that came out. It is going to be the Black Supreme Dunk Lows. So this shoe came out in 2002 in collaboration with, Supreme's the skate shop. As you could see, the concept behind it is going to be behind the black cement 3s. There's actually another colorway of this Dunk Low in a white. So wherever you see black, it would just be white instead, and then wherever it's red, you would see a blue color. So that's going to be the second iteration of it. This one I like better just because I feel like you could wear more with it and it won't get dirty as fast. So looking at the details of the shoe, you have that notorious elephant print that goes all over the shoe right there. And you got the little hints of black leather. Really good quality. This is when Nike SB, their quality was just crazy just because they were first starting off, so they were using the most premium materials. Being that this was one of the first Dunks to come out, it doesn't have SB branding on the tongue right there. And I actually picked up this shoe from another homie of mine. The prices on any SB honestly has just been really crazy ever since Travis Scott has started kind of bringing them back. That's what everyone's been saying. I've seen pairs of these in even a way beater condition. This is actually a really clean condition, go for around like $2,000. I was able to get this for half that price, so shout out to the homie, you know who you are. I'm just glad to have this back in the collection. I remember I picked this shoe back up in 2012, and I remember paying $250 for them. They were beat, super beat, and just kind of crazy to see how much these are going for right now. So this is another grail of mine. And the last shoe, it doesn't have the original box as well. We have the Nike Air Yeezy 2 in the platinum colorway. I like the Yeezy 2s better than the Yeezy 1s. That's just a personal preference. I like a more sleeker shoe compared to the bulky Yeezy 1s. I like this colorway way better than the Solars and the Red Octobers just because that white and gray just looks really good. Like, I don't know, just something about this shoe just caught my eye more than the other 2 colorways. So I was able to get this shoe off a homie as well. Actually, all 3 of these are from 3 different homies. I got this for a really good price as well. I know these, Yeezy 2s are always going to be in the thousands at least 2,000. I was definitely able to get that for way less. And just the details on these are crazy. Like, starting off, you have the snakeskin print right there, little hieroglyphics on the strap, and then you have more kind of Egyptian details right there. You have this interesting kind of like backbone structure on the heel. It's just like, I don't know, like this shoe was just different when it came out. Like, just Kanye was really on his like, I don't even know how to explain it. He was just on one, and just his vision for these shoes was just perfect in my opinion. These definitely break a lot of necks, no matter where you are in the world. If you're wearing this, everyone's gonna know what this is. And yeah, it's just such a great shoe. That's my top 3 personal favorites in my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'm out.